Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance Explains 1-to-1. I'm Abhi, and today I've got you a crisp, no-fluff breakdown of a huge update, President Trump's new trade deal with the UK. But this isn't just another headline. Nope. I'm going to show you how this affects you, your investments, and what it signals about where the global economy might be headed, especially in this crazy mix of tariffs, inflation, and trade wars. If you've ever wondered who actually wins in these deals, or does this help or hurt regular people like us? Stick with me. I've boiled it down into bite-sized insights to save you time. By the end, you'll have a solid grasp on what's happening, why it matters, and maybe even spot a few investment clues hiding in plain sight. And hey, if you missed my last video on why every country is in debt and who they actually owe, hint hint, go check it out after this. It connects perfectly. All right, let's dive in. Section 1. The deal in a nutshell. So, what's the scoop? President Trump and UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer have shaken hands virtually, of course, in a landmark trade agreement. Here's the gist. Tariff reductions. U.S. auto tariffs on UK cars dropped from 5 to 10% for up to 100,000 vehicles annually. That's a big win for British car makers. Steel and aluminum. The US eliminates tariffs on British steel and aluminum, while the UK reciprocates by removing its 19% ethanol tariff. Agricultural access. UK farmers gain broader access to US markets, and American goods will face fewer customs hurdles in the UK. It's like both countries decided to play nice and share their economic toys. Section 2. What this means for you. Now you might be thinking, AB, I'm not exporting cars or farming sheep. Why should I care? Well, this deal could lower prices. Reduced tariffs can lead to cheaper imported goods. That British car you've been eyeing, it might just become more affordable. Job opportunities. Increased trade often means more jobs, especially in manufacturing and agriculture sectors. Investment prospects. Companies benefiting from this deal might see stock upticks. Time to revisit your investment portfolio? Section 3. A nod to our last video. Remember our last chat about where your money goes when you buy a stock? This trade deal is a real-world example of how international policies can impact markets and, by extension, your investments. If you missed it, go check it out. It's a must-watch. Section 4. The bigger picture. This agreement isn't just about goods, it's about strengthening alliances. Amid global uncertainties, the US and UK are showing a united front. It's a strategic move, signaling stability to markets worldwide. And for us, it's a reminder of how interconnected our financial world truly is. Before we wrap up, quick shout out to my Temu affiliate link in the description. If you're planning to grab anything from Temu, whether it's budget, friendly gadgets, home stuff, or just fun finds, using my link gets you some awesome first-time discounts, and it also helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Think of it like buying me a coffee while getting yourself a deal win-win, right? And hey, if enough of you use it, I might even do a little giveaway from Temu just for my awesome subs. Sound fair? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for sticking around, and as always, stay curious, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and turn on that little bell so you don't miss what's coming next.